Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam, V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Yeah, we haven't met each other since last year. Sorry, I don't have any excuse. It's just that I've been very busy lately. So yeah, it's the first video of the year. I hope all my fans, all my subscribers are doing well. Hope you had a great entrance of the year. I had. So yeah, today, as you guys can see by the title and by the what you're seeing right now, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this ponytail. It actually took me very small time to do this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm recreating the style and the dress I wore on my friend's birthday, on her 30th birthday. So actually it was not this makeup or contact lenses, but I wanted to go a little bit extra for this video. Okay, so my cuties, that's it. I mean, I've missed you guys so much, and I'll be back. I even have some of the videos of last year that I'm going to be uploading this year for you guys. Okay, so G-Glow is back. I'm back for you guys, as if I've never been gone before. Okay, let me be serious. I don't want to make this intro too long, okay, for you guys. So if you want to know how I did this cute hairstyle, oh my god, I miss this so much. Anyways, if you want to know how I did this cute hairstyle, just keep watching. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, stay tuned for the next video because Giglo has something for my girls or my fans. If you're a boy and you like extensions, I got this for you. Okay, so this, you're going to love it. Okay, so I'm doing a giveaway because I mean Valentine is coming, so I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Okay. Bye guys. Mwah.